Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys some toggles that there is on the new Dress to Impress update. So for instance, on this dress there is the only skirt option and then only top option as well, and you can turn off the chains if you'd like to. Let me just remove everything that I have on so it won't like culturally clash. Why did I say crash? So for instance, the sari, you can do support patterns or do default. Same with the top. I still cannot figure out how to use the skirt though. And then these are two separate pieces. And then some of them you can't, don't have toggles like these ones, and these ones are just separate. And then I'm not sure about this one. Okay, this one has two toggles here, as you can see. Super cute. There's some accessories here, and then for this one there isn't any toggle, and then again these are just separate pieces that you can put on. This one has a toggle which has the only sleeves, which I think is pretty cute, and then there's also this I don't want to pronounce it incorrectly, so I just want to say this piece of outfit. So yeah, these are just a few toggles there are on the new update. I really like this dress. Super beautiful. It's very beautiful. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!